Hi, I'm Jia Hui from Little Big Coffee. Okay, for the team, it's basically we just brief the designer that we want something that is very clean. I mean, for the workspace one, what we wanted was a lot of storage space, a clean countertop for us to work with. And then for the outside, we want it to be more like a social space. So we have a mixed kind of seating. We have like standing tables and we have like smaller chairs and tables. So because we thought cafe should be a space where people interact with each other, not just a restaurant. Yeah, so that's our basic theme to go with. My favorite part of the reno will be our blue counter. Because previously it used to be very cluttered, everything used to be all over the space and looks very messy. But right now we've really cleared it up and we actually have, we flushed some stuff, with weighing scale and everything, so it looks really nice and slick. Yeah, I mean the customers love it and they keep asking us, oh, what's that, and then we have to explain to them what we are using. And that's kind of works for us because serving specialty coffee, we like to really interact with the customers. The more we interact, the more we can introduce the coffee to them. I got it from a referral from a friend actually. So it's like a second degree friend kind of thing. And once they come down and we talk about it, and they seem really approachable and like easygoing. So and we started the whole process of going through the design process and quotation and so on, and we are really happy with it, so we went with them. We are really happy about how the renovation turns out. I mean, our customers love it, and we love it, and I mean, the sales kind of go up a bit, so it's a win-win situation for everyone. Thank you, and see you again. Bye.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.